Hello everyone, welcome to the video on mucormycosis. In this video I am going to explain what is it, what all the symptoms are there, what are the effects and how can we prevent that, most importantly what is the treatment. This is my YouTube channel. If you like the video content, do subscribe. Now this picture shows the microscopic view of the fungus. This is how the fungus looks like, and this is a mold. It is a fungus and it is most commonly found in soil, plants, manure and decaying fruits. Now, what is this mucormycosis? As the second wave of COVID-19 continue to hit India, there are many reported cases of mucormycosis. It is rare, but it is life-threatening, and it is being reported among COVID-19 patients. So make sure you understand about this infection and we can prevent this. Please understand and go through the video completely so that we know how to prevent this infection. Now, what is this black fungus? See, this mucormycosis is also known as black fungus. The reason is when people get this infection around the nose, there are dark color dots will develop. That is the reason why it is known as a black fungus. Now, as I told you, it is life-threatening one, and initially it results in blindness, which is followed by death in severe cases. Remember, in severe cases, if it is not treated properly, it causes blindness, which is followed by death. Now, how people are getting this infection? When they are exposed to this mucor mold, which is found in soil, plants, green manure and decaying fruits. Now what are the most common symptoms are there? See, the most common symptoms are, see, around the nasal or sinal congestion is there. Around the nose, people get a kind of congestion. Now, when people get this mucus, there will be black dots around this nose. That is the reason why it is called as black mold. And there is swelling in one side of the face, and black lesions are found on the nose here, and inside the palate too there are certain black lesions are there. The most common symptoms are again pain, redness around the eyes and nose, fever, headache, cough, shortness of breath. Sometimes it also causes bloody vomits, and it may also result in altered mental status. Now, see, it is a kind of threat to life. Now, let us understand what is happening with this. See, the mold travels from nose. See, the mold, it gets through the air, it gets into the nose. From the nose, it gets into the eyes, and from the eyes, it reaches brain. In all these organs, it will be damaging nerves. It causes extensive damage to nerves. That is the reason why some of the people are losing eyesight. It results in blindness. And then if it continues, it damages brains, and which may leads to paralysis and death also. And most commonly affected parts are the sinuses from nose, brain and lungs too. The fungi is also settling down in lungs. Now, who are at risk? Now, why people are getting this? See, the reason is most of the time in diabetic patients and people with immunocompromised condition are getting affected with this. What do you mean by immunocompromised? When immunity levels goes down, that condition is known as immunocompromised. In diabetic patients, the immunity levels are less. They are considered as immunocompromised, as well as conditions like cancer and HIV also. In that condition, immunity goes down. These people are most vulnerable to this mold. Remember, in normal human beings, this mucormycosis could not cause any damage. You don't need to panic with this. Only people with immunocompromised conditions are getting affected. Even in COVID cases also, people with uncontrolled diabetic are getting affected. Now, why it is causing that much of damage? Let us understand. See, the major reason why people are getting it, the major route of entry is nose. Now, some of the COVID patients are under oxygen support. Now, oxygen support, the mask when it is put and oxygen is passed, see, the cylinder has got hydrated water, hydrated oxygen, and the hydrated means water containing oxygen. The water has to be used distilled water. If distilled water is not used, normal tap water is used, that may contain this fungus. So when the mask is put there, the fungus may get into the human beings through this nose. The reason why it is very high in COVID patients is because some of them are on this oxygen support. If the water is not proper water is used, if the distilled water is not used, there is a chance of getting this mold. First one. Second one, diabetics are most vulnerable. Diabetic and immunocompromised patients. Now, some of the doctors, what do they say is, doctors believe that it is being triggered by steroids. Now, again, we need to understand this. In COVID conditions, there is a lot of use of steroids. Please understand why there is a need to use steroids. There is a condition known as cytokine storm syndrome in COVID. And this is what is life-threatening is. People die because of this condition called as cytokine storm. Cytokine storm means, see, understand what is cytokine is. Cytokine is nothing but immune mediators. This is not because of virus, this is by human beings. Our immune mediators are known as cytokines. What happens is, when the virus attacks our lungs and organs, body will increases immunity. Like cytokines, like interleukins and all of them. These cytokines will try to kill the virus. If they cannot kill it, they will try to damage the organ, especially the lungs. And this condition is called as cytokine storm. Because all these immune mediators are attacking the organ, it is known as storm. It is like storm, it attacks. Now, when this occurs, lungs will get damaged and people will die. So this is what is cytokine storm. Understand, this happens only in severe conditions, severe COVID conditions only. The cytokine storm is there and people die because of this condition. Now, to avoid this, steroids like dexamethasone are used. You can see, for when people tested positive, in severe conditions only dexamethasone, a steroid is used. Understand this, people cannot use it by their own. It has to be used with a proper medical prescription or under the supervision of a doctor. They will know when to use this steroid, only in severe conditions. If without any severity, if people are using steroids too much, that will result in reduced immunity. Why? What does the steroids do? They will reduce interleukins. Interleukins are immune mediators. So what happens? They reduce immune response so that lungs will not get damaged by our own immunity. So if you are reducing immunity, there is always chance to develop this immunocompromised condition, and this mold will cause a lot of damage in that condition. So understand this concept. Steroid should be used only in severe conditions. You cannot use it right from the beginning. Now, you don't need to panic with this condition. Please, I made this video to bring awareness so that people don't panic with this one. See, it only develops on wet surfaces. Now, it often infects patients with diabetes conditions. Now, precaution can prevent the outbreak. Understand this one. If you take minor precautions, you can prevent it. Now, immunosuppression. This is what is important factor for this condition. It is not just COVID. People who have got immunosuppression, like HIV patients, they have immunosuppressions. Or organ transplantation, when organs are transplanted, like kidney transplant or liver transplant, immunity is reduced. In such conditions also, people will get this, not only with this COVID. Again, you can see this picture. These are all the signs. People will get this headache, the blackness or sinuses will get swelling, a kind of pain on one side, and eye damage. All these are signs and symptoms. Now, how to prevent this mucormycosis? See, the major steps to prevent mucormycosis is, the important one is, keep the blood sugar levels under check. See, if someone has got COVID or no COVID, whatever it is, the sugar has to be controlled because it reduces immunity. If immunity is reduced, the fungal will cause a lot of harm. Now, see, use of steroid judiciously while treating COVID. Judiciously means carefully, just judgmentally. This is what I'm repeating. Steroids, you cannot use it as such. It has to be used under proper medical supervision. Now, clean water in humidifier used for oxygen support. This is what I told you. So many people are on oxygen support. If distilled water is not used, the water may also contain this fungus, and that may cause mucormycosis. Now, maintain overall cleanliness, and see, any oral ulcer has to be tested immediately for suspicion of mucormycosis, this fungus that initially causes oral ulcers. So care should be taken. Next, how can we prevent this? This is what is important one. See, use mask if you are visiting dusty construction site, because the mold or mucormycosis comes from soil. It will be in the air and there is a chance of getting it. Second one, wear shoes, long trousers, long sleeve shirts, gloves while handling soil, moss or manure. People usually who are planting, they will be in touch with soil. So they need to take all these precautions. Now maintain personal hygiene is most important one. So this is how we can prevent it. Now what are the important things? See, the first and foremost thing do's are control hyperglycemia. Whether people has got COVID or not, they need to take care with hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia means increase in diabetic condition, increase in sugar levels. Now monitor blood glucose level post COVID-19 discharge. If someone gets COVID, if they are discharged, even after discharge, they need to check the blood glucose level. Right? Then use steroids judiciously. This is what I'm talking repeatedly because steroids will reduce immunity. They need to be used in severe conditions only. See, correct timing, correct dose and duration is important. So they have to be taken under medical supervision. Now use of clean sterile water for humidifiers during oxygen therapy is most important one because people on oxygen support, they are getting this fungus because of using unclean water. Now, see, use of antibiotics and antifungals also, you need to use it carefully, judiciously. You cannot use it as such. These are all the do's. Now, don'ts. Now, remember this. See, don't miss any warning signs. Any black spot around the nose, you need to take care of that. Because of that, it has got the name black fungus. Now, do not consider all cases with blocked nose as bacterial as sinusitis. Don't panic, the most important thing. Now, do not hesitate to seek aggressive investigation. If you have any suspicion of this kind of dots and mucormycosis, go for all diagnostic tests. Now, the important thing is time. Most of the doctors say that when they get this mucormycosis, when they take to hospital in time, they can save them. Any delay is causing a lot of damage. So, this is what is there. In time, they need to be taken to the hospital. Now the best part is there is a treatment for this mucormycosis. The most important one is amphotericin B. This is an antifungal agent. Mucormycosis is fungi. So to treat that, this antifungi can be used. Some other agents are also there like fluconazole, voriconazole. All of them are antifungal agents, but the most effective one is amphotericin. So no need to panic. There is a treatment provided if you take the subject in time. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video content, do subscribe.